Let me ask you something fascinating. What do the most successful businesses in India have in common? They are predominantly founder-driven companies where passionate entrepreneurs have the skin in the game. That's exactly what makes the Motilal Oswal Founders Portfolio unique. Did you know that India ranks among the highest globally in promoter holdings? This isn't just a statistic, it's a powerful insight that drives the fund's entire investment philosophy. Before we dive deeper, let me ask, what matters more to you, short-term gains or sustainable wealth creation? Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Motilal Oswal Founders PMS. The formula of wealth creation drives in these four terms: quality, growth, longevity and prudent risk management. Quality that ensures business excellence and stellar returns, growth that compounds your wealth, longevity that stands market tests, and prudent risk management that helps you sleep peacefully. Picture India's growth as a magnificent tapestry. The Founders Portfolio has identified 6 vibrant threads weaving this story. First, financial services. Have you noticed how UPI has transformed payments? That's just the tip of the iceberg. The fund is investing in the next wave of financial revolution. Second, healthcare transformation. When was the last time you visited a hospital and noticed something changed in the healthcare section? The portfolio is right there capturing this evolution. Third, tech revolution. Your smartphone probably has Zomato, right? That's the kind of tech disruption they are investing in. Fourth, China Plus One opportunity. Did you know that global companies are actively seeking alternatives to China? This portfolio is positioned to capture this massive shift. Fifth, Make in India. From smartphones to defense equipment, India is becoming a manufacturing powerhouse. They are not just watching, they are investing in this transformation. Sixth, urbanization play. Look around your city. Do you see those new malls, those new retail chains? That's your investment growing. Now let's talk about their performance. While many were uncertain about market directions, this portfolio delivered a stunning 65.9% return since September 2023. If we talk about the market cap, 16% is in large caps where your stability anchors, 42% is in mid cap where your growth engines, and 41% in small caps, your turbo boosters. Exceptional investment strategies often stem from extraordinary minds. At Motilal Oswal Founders Portfolio, Vaibhav Agarwal and Abhishek Anand bring their expertise together to craft investment excellence. Together, Vaibhav and Abhishek form a formidable investment team. Their complementary strengths, Vaibhav's global insight and Abhishek's local expertise create a balanced approach that reflects in consistent portfolio performance. Under their leadership, the Founders Portfolio boasts a remarkable 65.9% return since September 2023, highlighting their thoughtful investment selection and rigorous risk management. Their transparent, disciplined approach ensures the portfolio remains stable in changing market conditions, capitalizing on emerging trends like Make in India and the China Plus One strategy. In a world of endless investment options, remember this: when founders lead, wealth follows. When vision meets value, magic happens. And when you invest with the Motilal Oswal Founders Portfolio, you're not just buying stocks, you're buying into legacies. Well, this was all about Motilal Oswal Founders PMS. Thank you for watching this video.